Right now, if your 2-year-old is mid-tantrum on the floor, screaming and kicking and completely out of control, they are not trying to manipulate you. They are not being dramatic. They are experiencing a neurological storm that their brain is literally not equipped to handle yet. And most parents have no idea what is actually happening inside their toddler in that moment. In the next 7 minutes, we are going inside your 2-year-old's experience during a tantrum, from their perspective, what they feel, why they cannot stop, and what the science says actually helps. Because understanding this will change everything about how you respond. Here is what is happening in your toddler's brain during a tantrum. The part of the brain responsible for logic, reasoning, and emotional regulation is called the prefrontal cortex. In a 2-year-old, this part of the brain is not just underdeveloped, it is essentially offline. It will not be fully developed until they are in their mid-20s. What your toddler does have fully online is their amygdala, the emotional alarm system, the part of the brain that processes big feelings like frustration, fear, and overwhelm. So what happens during a tantrum is this. Your toddler encounters something that triggers a big feeling. They can't have the biscuit, the block won't fit, you said it's time to leave the park. Their amygdala fires, the emotional alarm goes off, and there is no prefrontal cortex available to process it, regulate it, or calm it down. From inside your 2-year-old's experience, a tantrum does not feel like a choice. It feels like being flooded, completely overwhelmed by an emotion so big their entire body responds to it. This is why telling a toddler to calm down during a tantrum does not work. You are asking the part of their brain that doesn't exist yet to override the part that is completely in charge. Researchers at the University of Washington studied toddler tantrums and found a consistent pattern. Tantrums follow a predictable arc. They peak, and then they resolve on their own. The average tantrum lasts between 2 and 4 minutes. But here is what the research found that most parents miss. The children who recovered fastest were not the ones whose parents reasoned with them or tried to fix the situation. They were the ones whose parents stayed physically close and calm. Your calm nervous system is the only tool that actually works during a tantrum. When you stay regulated, when you lower your voice instead of raising it, when you get down to their level, when you stay present without trying to fix it, your toddler's nervous system begins to co-regulate with yours. This is called co-regulation, and it is one of the most well-documented processes in developmental psychology. From inside your toddler's experience, your calm presence is not passive. It is the most active thing you can do. It is telling their overwhelmed nervous system, this feeling is survivable. I am here. It will pass. And it always does pass. Because the tantrum is not about the biscuit or the block or the park. It is about a brain that does not yet have the tools to handle big feelings. And every time you stay calm and present through one, you are literally helping build those tools. So what does your 2-year-old actually need from you during a tantrum? Not fixing, not reasoning, not a consequence, just you, close, calm, and present. If this helped you understand your toddler even a little better, that is exactly what this channel is for. Every week we go inside your child's world so you can see things the way they do. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Now you know what they couldn't tell you.